Elas são absolutamente doidas por isso aqui. Ela tá subindo na pia porque era ali que eu tava preparando. Aqui, ó, vem cá. Vem.
¡Ah! ¡Ay, Miguel! ¡Hey! ¡Miguel! ¡Hey! ¿Qué onda?
Hey, Mars.
Oh, mostra a língua pra nós. Mostra a língua.
What the dog doing?
Seriously, what the dog doing? What the dog doing?
Hello, 大家好。Qué agusticidad, ¿verdad? Está fresco. Uy, la sombra del fresnito pega bien sabroso. Hello, welcome. Oh, shit! Oh, Daddy!
Mira qué sucio está. Primero lo hidratamos con agua y jabón especial. Le hacemos un suave masaje.
Safada.
Bella, you got that dump truck.
My GPS keeps making a funny squeaking noise.
Your breath smells like hamburgers.
Up.
There are two types of people in this world. There are those that are like Charmin, sweetheart, and there are those that are like Chevy. Ow!
It's Mr. Krabs.
No way. Put him right here.
He looks so cute. Oh my god.
Okay. Alright, come here, honey bun. Come here. What a sweet bun. That's so sweet. Oh, thank you.
So I read on the internet that cats get on your laptop because they're mirroring you, and so if you get them their own laptop, they'll leave you alone. And look at this little businessman!
Now,
If you want to come and take a walk with me, then you better get my poop back to my lead. Why do you walk so slow? Woof, it's my little leggy.
Yo, look at this dog, y'all. Watch, make him do it again.
Good boy. Sit. Okay. Paw. Good boy. Other paw. Okay. Ready? Fart.
Para, loca!
Come here, Pico. Come on. Come here, you ugly, stupid fucker.
It is so pangluck. Even Appa wants a bit. Go on.
Oh my god.
Кому сказала нельзя? Морти! Морти!
Run! Run! Go, Lucy! Lucy, come on! Hurry!
Mabel. Mabel. Show the people your makeshift cone. I added paper plates to add a little more length. You love me.
Miren nomás al Bruno, lo que tiene, lo quiere más que a mí. Le pusieron aire acondicionado. Ahí está, era soplando el aire acondicionado. Brunito, ven, ven cariño, ven, vente, ven.
Go downstairs. Come down then. Downstairs. Come on. Come on down.
Nah, bro. Homie got his own little crib. You a property owner, bro? You a property owner? This your spot? How much you paid for this? What's rent like? What's rent like in this?
Hey, buddy. What's going on? Hey, how you doing? Oh, you're beautiful. Did you see that?
How? How? Literally, in one end and out the other. How do you do this?
Get roly poly.
Hey, Nikki. Hey, how are you? Why you are angry? Please, no.
PJ? Be nice. You're mean. You're so mean. Okay. You're so mean. Hey. Quit it. Quit it.
At suratlı pezevenk. Ananın amına at gibi girerim senin. Amına koydumun çocuğu. At yarrağı seni.
Tell me you're in Thailand without telling me you're in Thailand.
A'udhu billah! There is a crocodile in my home!
Wait! Wait in this motherfucker! What?
You really can't come to the beach nowadays without at least seeing one shark.
I can't fucking believe this shit. Look at this bullshit.
You ready?
Yes! What happened? You wagging your tail? Yeah.
Do you see this? Do you see this? It's freaking nature!
What they put in these outdoors, cause it makes me feel really happy.
Look at that very handsome man. I wonder who he is. I don't think I've seen him around before. I thought I knew all the handsome men in this village. We could use some new faces.
What are you two doing? But what are you doing? What are you doing? Are you beating up your brother? Are you winning? Yeah. Yeah. Go get him. Get him. Or the cat. Go get your other sister. Yeah, go get your sister. What are you doing? You are loud. So.
No. 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 No.
Es kommt darauf an, was Instagram promotet, was die raus.
Can you hold the fucking light straight?
Long live the king!
Thank you for watching. Now you can pick another possum video and enjoy it.